What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here from High Road Comics, and today we have an unboxing from eBay. So let's go ahead and check it out. Already, prepped it. Actually, no, I didn't. I don't know if I want to damage the box. Probably not, so I could reuse it. But, Gemini mailers are kind of expensive, and when I went to my LCS to buy some, I would have charged more for shipping for some of the stuff that I sold on eBay. But yeah, you should always recycle, But whatevs. Let's go ahead and see what I got. Great packaging, fantastic. Gemini mailers, love them. I didn't even know that they came in like these various sizes. I thought it was just like that standard, like whatevs. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Just woke up from a nap. Feel great. So, hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. I know I did. Sorry, just trying to be careful not to cut the comic. Yeah. I really don't know what this is, so, surprise, let's find out. I really like this packaging. Very nice stuff. Let me go ahead and make sure that I don't cut the comic. That was a close one. Ooh, rip the bag open. Yikes. Alright. This is like risky business. Like, if I damage the comic, it's my fault. But I appreciate it, but with these Gemini mailers, really, all you have to do is just put it in there. I think that's it. Alright, so this is a Clayton Crain.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Clayton Crain. I know I'm never going to get that original, Journey into Mystery? Is it 82, 83? I can't remember. The first time that Thor holds the hammer. Mohinner? Yes, check it out. Venom in War of the Realms #1. This is a sweet variant. This would be nice to get signed one day. I'm trying to stay away from these types of variants, but these are pretty awesome. Now I'm curious, did I actually bend it? No, I didn't. Thank goodness. Yeah, good stuff. Check it out. War of the Realms #1. Homage cover. That's all I got. This is Errol, and I'll see you at the next stop.